What is a user persona and why is it important in UX design? A user persona is a fictional representation of a target user based on research and data. It helps designers to understand user needs, their behaviors, and motivations. In other words, a user persona is simply a fictional character that is created to represent a key user segment for a product or service. It is based on user research and also includes detailed description of the user's demographics, behaviors, goals, motivations, pain points, and other relevant characteristics. Personas bring focus and empathy to the design process by humanizing the target audience. By referring to user personas, designers can make informed decisions about functionalities, features, and design elements that resonate with their target users. User personas are a vital tool in UX design, providing a detailed and empathetic understanding of the target user. They help to keep the design process focused on the real user needs, facilitates communication and alignments within the team, and also ensure that the final product delivers a positive and effective user experience. By grounding design decisions in user research and persona-driven insights, designers can create more relevant, useful, and engaging products. And that's beautiful, guys.